What if I told you that the secret to optimal machinery performance lies in clean lubrication? Intrigued? Let's dive in. Introducing Lube oil flushing by Minimac Systems, the ultimate solution for maintaining efficient lubrication systems. Say goodbye to contaminants and hello to peak performance? Here's how it works. Removes sludge, varnish and debris from lubrication systems. Cleans oil circuits, pipelines and reservoirs with precision flushing techniques. Ensures optimal lubricant flow, reducing wear and tear on critical components. With state-of-the-art technology, our Lube oil flushing service restores the integrity of your lubrication system. Why choose Minimac Systems? For industries, power plants, enhances turbine efficiency. Steel manufacturing prevents contamination in high-pressure systems. Mining increases the lifespan of heavy-duty machinery. For your operations, reduces downtime and maintenance costs. Boosts equipment reliability and productivity. Complies with industry standards for cleanliness. Ready to elevate your equipment performance? Trust Minimac Systems for expert Lube oil flushing solutions. Don't miss out on more insights and solutions. Subscribe to our YouTube channel now, and for more information, visit our website www.minimacsystem.com.